roast potato and pumpkin. Nice and crispy. And roast lamb under there. And in here...
Can I have a spoon, please?
Hi guys, it's Sunday. I just got home from work and done a little bit of filming on my December daily, December journal plan and setup, and my kitchen's a mess. So yeah, there's crap everywhere. This is my bench. This is my workspace at the moment because my back is really bad and I can't sit down for very long at all actually, so I have to stand. So kitchen bench. This weekend we've been working on the renos. We've got pretty far actually. We've tinted some windows, which was much more of a pain than either of us were expecting. We rescreened a lot of our fly screens, which badly needed to be done. We've painted a heck lot of doors. Hubby's cut out all the holes for, we're turning a lot of our pull-out cupboard doors into sliding doors to save room. And gosh, what else have we done? Put up curtains, replaced old blinds with new nice roller blinds. So yeah, we've done a fair bit this weekend actually, and my project for now, I've got some new laundry hampers to try and organise my disaster of a laundry. So that's going to be today's, well, right now's job. A little bit of a disaster in there at the moment. Let's try and sort it out. Okay, so for now I'm pretty happy with how that's organised. I have this big hamper here that's full of sheets and towels. That was from IKEA years ago, before I was married, probably 12 years old. These are from Bunnings. I just picked them up last night, so they aren't new. They've got lights and darks on them. I think they were 18. Don't mind how dirty my floor is. $18 AUD. And so I have my whites, my hubby's work clothes, my lights and my darks like that. So all my laundry is nice and neat, and that means I can move all those baskets that I had up there. That one's just empty now, and that's just a bin and all my laundry stuff. It's not super clean in here because I have the dryer isn't ducted in, so it sprays lint all over the place. But eventually this will be getting built-in benches all along here and cupboards and stuff, so this will all be ripped out anyway, so I'm not bothering too much about it now. I just wanted to get my laundry sort of organised. Now that that's done, I think I'm going to do another page in my December documented. Karen! Just been out shopping with the Nana.
No!
She's so funny. Spent too much money. Went to Spotlight. Lots of stuff for the kiddos. Some Christmas decorations. Okay, so I'm going to drop Nana home and then I am going home myself. Got a couple more Christmas decorations, so I'm going to put those up, and then once I've done that I'm going to do a overview of my Christmas decor so far. It's nothing fancy, but if you want to see, keep watching. Guys, this is my Nana's gorgeous Christmas decor. I tell you what, if anyone knows how to decorate for Christmas, it's her. So to start with, I was looking for a nice wreath, And I saw quite a few around actually, but this I ended up getting from Kmart because honestly, sadly, this was the nicest one I could find, like the biggest, the most full, the nicest color, the most realistic looking, and it was only $12. I saw a bunch of other ones for like $30, $40, $50, and they were nowhere near as nice as this one. So I don't really understand that, but anyway, this is the blue spruce, I think it's called, wreath from Kmart. And from the dollar store I got, yes mate, oh you broke it, you probably broke it. From the dollar store I got some red and white candy stripe sort of twine. That's for scrapbooking really, for my December daily I think I'll use it for. And I got some gift tags. These are from Target, glittery gift tags for the same reason, just for scrapbooking. Okay, so these were also from the dollar store, little berry garlands. They do unwrap like this to become like garland, but I'm actually going to use these. Oh, I've lost a couple. I'm going to use these ones as is, I think. I want to make like little wreaths to hang off the back of my kitchen stools. I've seen one of my favorite YouTubers, she did them with little green wreaths, but I really like the berry garland, so I also got some burlap ribbon to tie around those and use. I'll show you what I'm talking about once I've done it, but they look really sweet, so that's what they're for. And this extra one is just to, I'm going to wrap that around in amongst this wreath, make it a bit more interesting. I really like the cranberries. Then this was from Kmart as well. It's a little Merry Christmas bunting, little wooden tags. I think that might look cute, so hang that up somewhere. And then from Target I got some little battery operated snowflake lights, just because they're cute, little snowflakes. And then these were from Target as well. They're little ceramic ornaments, the stars cut out. These were $2 each, so I bought 3 of them. I always like to buy my ornaments in 3s, and I really love white, and I particularly love ceramics. So these aren't going up this year because we have that teeny tiny tree and my daughter is still pulling things down, but hopefully next year. So I just got home. It's about 4:30 I think. I left home at 8:50. I'm absolutely shattered. I'm so tired. Why is it that like a day of shopping makes you more tired than a day at work? I don't know. I'm so tired. Anyway, I'm gonna sit down with some fruit. We went to the fruit shop a few days ago and we got a box of fruit and a tray of mangoes for $40. Crazy. I don't know what's going on here. To ignore the mess on that table, my dining table. It's a bit of a landing point for stuff at the moment because the house is still a big mess. Someone's home with me today. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Corin's at kindy. This little one's home with me. It's really hot already. I don't want to do anything today. I've done some crafting. I got up and did well, I sort of prepped one of my pages for my December daily, and then my camera battery died, so that's charging. I've been editing this morning, but it's really hot in my kitchen today. There's not much of a breeze, so yeah, just in one of those moods where I don't want to do anything. I just want to lay around all day, but I can't do that because it hurts my back. So having a bit of cuddle with this little munchkin. She's going to go to sleep soon, I think, and then I'm going to get up and do some folding. Very exciting. But I'll put the TV on, watch some Foxtel while I am folding, so it's not too bad. And I'll stand under the ceiling fan in the living room. So my thrilling life. So this week, what have we got? We've got nothing today, nothing important anyway. I mailed my Christmas cards this morning, most of them. I'm still waiting on a couple of addresses. People have moved since last year, but that's mostly done. Tomorrow we have speech. I think just speech. Then on Friday I'm going to see my friend who's just had a baby. I'm very excited. He's only like nearly 2 weeks old. He'll be 2 weeks old, I think, almost. He's tiny anyway. I'm very excited to go see him. We're all up to date on our shots, luckily, because we all had them when I had my babies, which was not that long ago. So very excited to see him. And then Friday night we have the Christmas parade, which I will be vlogging. It's awesome. I love it that they do this every year in my town. My son absolutely loves it. It does mean we'll be missing his kindy Christmas party breakup thing, but that's okay. He'd much prefer to go to the parade. I know that he loves the parade, and last year he was sort of meh about the kindy party, so like, it's fun and all, but the parade is way better, so we're going to be doing that instead. Saturday I'm working all day. I have a big wedding, so I don't know whether I'll vlog much at all. Maybe a bit in the afternoon, depends. We might go out and look at some lights, maybe. And then she's just vegging out there. And then Sunday, we're catching up with friends before they go away on their cruise, which is kind of sad because we sort of have this tradition where we hang out with them Christmas Eve. Usually we go and see them Christmas Eve. They live like 15 minutes away from us, so that's really good. So that'll be sad that they'll be away, but at least we'll get to catch up with them this weekend before they go. And yeah, so Christmas is going to be kind of quiet for us this year. A lot of our friends are going away. Family that we usually spend time with aren't going to be available. My mother-in-law, she's working. She's a nurse, so we won't be seeing them. Might see them Boxing Day. We haven't decided yet. Yeah, so I don't know. It's probably just going to be us at home for Christmas. Just us four, which is alright. It's fine. My nana might come depending on what her plans are, but it'd be nice not to travel at Christmas, to be honest. We don't really like driving on the roads with the kids. It's always a dangerous time to be on the roads, especially with little kids in the car. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, Munchkin, Violet, who's sleepy? Who's a sleepy bum? Hey guys, it's Monday morning. I totally forgot to vlog like the rest of the week. I was really bad. So, yeah, I'm going to say goodbye now. Sorry, it was crap. We did things. We went to see the lights and went to like a play center with the kids and stuff yesterday. Met up with some friends, but yeah, I just got, you know, too busy to absent-minded, to be honest, to vlog. So this one's going to be a little average. I apologize, but, and yeah, say goodbye. And I'm just about to start a new vlog, so hopefully this week will be better. But thanks for watching anyway, guys. See you.